Hello everyone, this is Pooja Kandpal. Welcome to you in my YouTube channel Infinity, exercise 1.1 with question number 3rd. Find 5 rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. As we already discussed in our previous video, here we have two methods to solve this question. Okay, first one by making their denominator same, and the second one middle term method, right? So I am using the first one, okay, by making their denominator same. So here we have two rational number 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So I am going to multiply their numerator and denominator by 6. Okay, so it will be 6 3s are 18, 6 5s are 30, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30. Now you can see their denominator are same. Okay, now very easily we can find here 5 rational between them. Okay, 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30 and 23 by 30. So here we have 5 rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Okay. Now fourth question, state whether statement are true or false, give reasons for your answer. Now first statement, every natural number is a whole number. As we all know that natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 and go till infinity, while whole number start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and the same thing goes till infinity. Okay, so from here we can say that every element of natural number, okay, are in the whole number. Okay, so yes, this statement is true, every natural number is a whole number. So here reason, yes, natural number are positive integers that start from 1 and goes till infinity. Okay, whereas this is infinity sign, okay, this one, whereas whole number include positive integers along with 0. Okay, now second statement, every integer is a whole number. Okay, so we know that integers is a set of negative, positive and 0. Okay, it is a set of positive, negative number with including with 0, and a whole number start from 0, okay, with positive integers. Okay, so how whole number can be negative? Okay, if it is start from 0, how it can be negative? Okay, so this statement is false. So reason, this is false statement. Okay, integers are set of negative, positive including 0, but whole number start from 0. It cannot be negative. Okay, so that's why this statement is false. Now third statement, every rational numbers is a whole number. Okay, as we know that rational number are those number which we can express in the form p upon q. Okay, so not every rational number can be whole number, but some rational numbers can be whole number, right? For example, I am taking 3 by 5. Okay, this is your rational number because it is in the form p upon q, but when we'll divide this 3 by 5, we will get answer in 0.6, okay, in decimal form. And as we know that whole numbers don't include negative number, fraction or decimals. Okay, so that's why every rational numbers cannot be whole number. So here reason, this statement is also false. Whole number Don't include negative fraction or decimals. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you for watching.